Ladies and gentlemen, today is an exceptional day. It is the first and the opening day of Xposure Photography International Festival. This is one of the most awaited festival of the year, where photography lovers and photographers gather around from all over the world here in Expo Center, Sharjah. It started today from 28th of February and it will go on to 7 days until the 5th of March. 7 days full of activities, full of seminars, full of workshops, film screening, and much to do and to learn. Whether you are a photographer or whether you are a photography lover, you have many things to do and to develop your skills here in this beautiful festivals. Come and join us for a tour when let's explore together some of the most galleries and some of the most amazing photos to see here in the festival. Come and join us. Get ready to be dazzled as Sharjah unveils the 8th edition of the Xposure International Photography Festival. This epic event has just kicked start today and it will continue till the 5th of March at Expo Center, Sharjah. Sheikh Sultan bin Ahmed Al Qasmi, Deputy Ruler of Sharjah, just inaugurated its 8th edition today during an amazing opening ceremony at Expo Center, Sharjah. It's a must-see for photography and cinematography enthusiastic worldwide. From February 28, 2024, for an amazing experience as you embark on a visual journey through a hand-picked collection of 2,500 breathtaking photographs. But Xposure 2024 goes beyond exhibitions. It's a week-long celebration packed with over 200 events that will leave you inspired, educated, and entertained. Here in the festival, you will get the chance to meet with more than 400 photographers from more than 50 countries and a lot of big names like David Hume, Pete Souza, and Nicole Tang, and many more. You will get the chance to meet them in person, speak with them, learn the method they use, and learn about the technology they use. Get so much from their skills which they put in these amazing pictures and photos that they take and that we see. That's why this festival is a big opportunity for you to come and to learn and to meet with your favorite photographers in person. Xposure exhibitions are thoughtfully curated across 25 sections, giving you a diverse range of themes to explore. Immerse yourself in the world of documentary and photography. Get lost in the beauty of the nature and the wildlife. Be captivated by portraits that tell you 1,000 stories. The choice is yours, but Xposure 2024 goes beyond exhibitions with over 66 workshops, talks, and programs led by 27 international experts. You will have plenty of opportunities to enhance your photography skills and learn from the best. The master classes by Adobe Labs will take your knowledge to the next level, while inspiring talks, focus groups discussions, and portfolio review seasons will fuel your passions and help you grow as an artist. And when it comes to documentaries, Xposure haven't forgotten it. It will screen more than 27 long films and short films. So many films will be screened within these 7 days. So it is 7 days full of screening and film screening. So it makes us appreciate how beautiful it is to story tell visually. Feel the emotions, hear the stories, and let the images take you into an amazing journey with an incredible collection of 2,500 valued images, collectively worth more than 22 million dirhams. Xposure offers an extraordinary opportunity for art lovers and collectors. Don't miss this opportunity, and don't miss the chance to secure a piece of history and to be given a signature from a talented photographer himself. Xposure is not just a festival, it's a celebration of art, culture, and the beauty of a photo. A photo is not just a photo in the eyes of a photographer. It's capturing a moment, and it is capturing a memory and keeping it forever. That's why we will ask some of the participants here and some of the visitors what are their feelings and what is their impression on the festival. Come with us.
This is the second time that I've been here. I came last year. I was really impressed by the quality of the exhibition. It's really well organized. Also the quality of the photographers. I like the fact that there's so much diversity. You have people from all over the world, you have professionals, you have street art competitions for people who are not well known, who may get a chance for their career. So I really appreciate it. It's fantastic. It's world class. It's definitely giving a lot of support to the community nationally and internationally. So Sharjah has always been like that. It's always been a cultural center in the Gulf. So there's a lot to offer here. I like the old part of Sharjah. I like the Corniche. I like the museums are excellent. So there's definitely a lot to see in Sharjah.
My name is Shion from Japan, and I'm photographer, visitor. Yeah, and of course, first time coming in here, and like wow, what I say, and yeah, how can I say like that? I lose my word, yeah, because very huge, and I never been such kind of a place in my life until now. So I'm enjoying, and I will enjoying from today to end of this festival.
It must be have a place where you be calm and you can reflect over all these impressions. There are many impressions to work with them. And I like to be in this land because the sands, the colors, and the green palms.
Amazing! So what are you waiting for? Get yourself registered at www.xposure.net and come and visit this amazing festival. It will go on from 28th of February till the 5th of March. Come and see all of your favorite photographers and come and see all these amazing photos that are not just photos, they are beautiful memories captured. I'm your host, Abdullah Al-Hamadi from Sharjah Broadcasting Authority, Platform Channel 2, and I will see you later.